Hospital workers in the Magic Valley say they're excited as COVID numbers statewide continue to fall and more people are vaccinated. Obviously, we need to continue our precautions, but tonight our Alex Grant talks with St. Luke's Magic Valley about how they're transitioning to a new normal.
Throughout the Magic Valley, case numbers have been decreasing, resulting in less COVID hospitalizations.
The majority of our hospitals were at minimal to no impact from COVID-19, so back into yellow or green levels as far as the risk matrix goes.
Out of 87 patients currently at St. Luke's Magic Valley, only 9 are COVID patients.
Basically, we're at the point where we're at normal sort of capacity for care, able to provide our normal level of service at the hospital.
A factor that contributed to being near capacity was because of staff that was out sick. While this is still occurring from time to time, it's on a smaller scale because of vaccines.
I think overall for St. Luke's entirely, we're somewhere north of 80% of employees have gotten the vaccine. And so I can't tell you exact numbers on first or second shot, but most at this point have gotten both shots.
Now that operations are heading back to normal, the hospital is playing catch up.
We've recovered some of the backlog in some of the elective surgical cases that we had to put off when things were so busy back, during the peak.
Health officials want people to remain vigilant in taking safety protocols so that they can have continued access to the hospital and not be faced with possibly being turned away.
Somebody goes into labor, somebody breaks an arm, somebody has an accident with machinery, something like that, those everyday things that we deal with in and outside of a pandemic, that those people have access to the emergency care they need.
In Twin Falls, I'm Alex Grant, Idaho News 6.